So you really want to live with 50 feet of frontage. I call it frontage on Washington Square. I beyond love and adore 220 West Washington Square. You are on the 6th floor, right above the trees. You can see both bridges. You've got gated parking, extra storage, and the most massive, cool living and dining room. It's got 3 bedrooms, another 3+ bathrooms. You take your private elevator up to your own personal residence. Private elevator, own personal residence. Basically off the charts, beyond amazing. Boutique elevator building, no door person, 100% privacy, 220 West Washington Square. Unbelievable.